One eternity later.
Welcome back everybody to Booster 2000. Cheers for all the views. Cheers for everyone who subscribed. I'm out in the Escort today. I wanted to do a bit of a video log, a bit of a review of my own car. I woke up this morning though and found out I needed to get some tyres. So that's going to slow me down. I'm trying some new angles, as you see. I've got my GoPro as well. I pulled that out. So it'll be interesting to see what that looks like, some multi footage. But yeah, we're out in the Escort and we're going to enjoy it. It's not often we've had a dry day recently. I have no real plan and no real agenda. I had a location or two I wanted to go this morning, but now I need to go and get tyres. That's kind of impacted me. And I'm on my way to the garage too as well, put some bits up there. But yeah, stay tuned and I'll keep you updated on my journeys and my travels. But I just want to say thanks to everybody who supported and everyone who's engaged in the channel. I got regular people constantly commenting, which is really, really nice. Still minimal haters, which is great, and everyone's just positive. I really enjoy it. It gives me purpose to do it and do more. I didn't realise doing a ESCORT Cosworth replica build would have had such a great impact on people, because years ago you've been mocked and humiliated. But I think it's more about now that even the people with the ESCORT Cosworths realise work has got to go in to get a good rep to look like one. It'll never be an ESCORT Cosworth, but also parts, how expensive they are. I can't say how expensive they are because my wife watches the videos, so she'll realise, and then she ground me and I won't be allowed out and be told I'm going to spend on dog treats. But yeah, never mind. Right, on that note, I'm going to do some boosting and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers.
12 seconds later.
I sorted my tyres out for me now. And these guys done my decap for me too. A&S tyres and long life, spot on. Here we are with the Focus Mark 1 RS Brembo. Yep, and that's a good old racing slick.
One eternity later.
So there we are, we're up the garage, and when I went to the MOT station, I knew I had a small little leak on my radiator. It went before, so I just used sealant on it, but I've gone out now, and the guys in FMP have sorted me out with a new one. So by here, there's a tiny little, I don't know if there's a hole or where the core joins the plastic. It's really difficult to see. That area is leaking. It's not leaking when you drive in. Smile, John. The guy's only gone and bought long wheelbase skirts, so we had to measure them and cut them. Temporary trimmed the edge off with a bit of overhang to allow us to put the right angle back on. But yeah, we're just still measuring up. There's the side skirts on the front end. There we go, we've got the front valance and front bib. We've 80'd the inside of that on the lip and all around the edging of the bumper. We've test fitted the side skirts. We need a little trim still on the end. What we will do, we don't want to break through paint on that, so we'll use a red scotch. We'll 80 the inside of the side skirt, and we'll use panel wipe as well then, in readiness then to tiger seal the kit on. We put a screw on each end, but we'll update you on the process as we go along. But it looks a little bit more sportier now, doesn't it? Million miles away, but we want to get the kit on. It's got a new grille to go on too, don't forget, with a forward embossed logo. As I said, 80 on the inside to key all that area up, because that's what we're going to be using to bond it on to the body. We're not going to key the body up with an 80. We're going to use a Scotch. Like I said, we don't want to break through any paint and create any more work. To remove the rubber trim, and we use an 80 Scotch across this area and towards the bottom, because this will be a contact area and this will be a contact area for the tiger seal. And I know it sounds like a third time I've said it, but we don't sand this down, because if we break through this and our water seeps under it, we create rust. You might notice too, the Evo now has a red door. A few tweaks, needs to be lined up a bit better, and it's also got a nice red boot opposed to the yellow one and silver one. So it's no longer the Harlequin car, minus that. It's nice to sit back in one colour. And we got a red door because it's easier then to paint on the inside, isn't it? It's less work involved. And we got the red boot for the same reason. Still got to tweak with and play with lines, obviously, because the car's at a smash. But yeah, that's a little update. Dash is coming out, new Dash 2 going as well. The boys been up here working on it. But yeah, dream car giveaways, here we come. Right then, so let's talk about the car. Loads of questions. Let me help you answer them. So, genuine vents, genuine bonnet, genuine clips, genuine under tray. Morettes, genuine repeater, side lights. These are genuine. Fogs are genuine, and indicators. With a fiberglass bumper, fiberglass modified grille. Okay, large front mounted intercooler, 18-inch auto star wheels. It's 1991 or 1990, so it's a big turbo Lux replica running the mirrors. We have the right repeaters. We have Focus RS Mark 1 Brembos. Our hockey sticks, which you can't see, they're in carbon fibre wrapped. Sunroof, as it should have. Rear pop-up windows, genuine lower rear spoiler, and this is made by Dave Lee in XYZ, and it's wrapped in 3M carbon and it's been clear coated. You can't see it now, it's dirty and it's obviously condensation. Private plate, replica back bumper. You've seen in my other videos, I don't know if you can see them. Go closer. Straps underside for fuel tank. Rear lights. So yeah, that's a few little bits and pieces of it. It's really difficult, it's dark. The car has full genuine interior. It has seats, door cards, it has centre console, it has the aircon clock, it has the armrest, it has the, what else do I have? Banana pod, everything. But yeah, that's it. Great looking car. A lot of work has gone into this. And I hope you like it. Somebody commented about the front wheels. I don't know what they're on about. I know what he is on about, but not on this car. He's a million miles away. So if you're watching, I'd like a like on this now, because you can see, mate, the view's wrong. But yeah, there we go. update. This is the manifold, which is a Scorpio manifold for 2.3. If you look down there, you can see the Garrett, the little baby turbo. If you look closer now, maybe, but yeah, you can see where the rad's leaking. See it? Created a bit of smoke earlier because a bit of water got on the turbo. But yeah, I'm going to swap our rad out. I got a new one. The guys in FMP in Swansea have sorted me out. So this had this kind of stuff as a heat shield. So what I've done, I can't move this dipstick. For love nor money, I cannot move it. People said twist it. One of the guys, they come up with the air, but just can't do it. So anyway, what I'm going to do is I've got a bit of right angle steel, which I've put in here. I'll be tightening up. These are just locators at the moment. Drilling down here and either riv nutting in here, or I'll be putting a nut with a weld around it. I'll do it on the outside, and then my plan is to run this steel plate over there, which will be like that, just to tidy the bay up. It's nothing special, but it'll take the heat away from rising up the bonnet. I'm just trying to tidy up under the bay a bit, that's all. Anybody with sense would say, what are you going to do about the dipstick? Spot on. So the reason why I'm putting 3 nuts, or bolts, because simple, on and off. Do you know what I mean? You don't check your oil every time you got in the car, so periodically I'll be checking the oil, and I'll just take heat shield off to do so. But yeah, that's where I'm going with, and that's where I am at the moment, just to help keep it cool. And look, it doesn't need to be the biggest heat shield or the best heat shield in the world. It just needs to be there to stop all heat rising up. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Hopefully I get that done soon. I'm going to swap the rad around tomorrow. But yeah, that's a simple little quick fix and quick win. Like I did say, if anybody knows how to do the bonnet latch, I'm assuming it goes through underneath there somewhere. Any tips or tricks to swap the cable out, feel free to drop a message. I get a bit of a whirring noise sometimes, like a wee 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 wee, and it's not always. It sounds like it's coming around this area. I'm not really sure what it is. It doesn't do anything. It's done it forever. I thought it could maybe be like power steering or something like that, but it's definitely not. If anybody knows of that or experienced similar kind of problems, I'll try and get a video and put it up as like a short on my story on here or something. But yeah, that'll be great. And now I'm going to tuck the baby bye. Until next time. But I'm not going to bore you fitting the rad and stuff. I'll get that done, and I'll be using the car on Sunday, hopefully, and going to a show. Well, I say a show, a car and coffee. But yeah, it's just those little things, just trying to tidy up now. I was thinking about doing this in black, same as doing all this in black and stuff, but look, the reflective tape on there is just to deter the heat. So anyway, over and out today. Cheers guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and be kind and be nice. Thanks again.